Good morning, everybody. Myself Sunil Kumar Gowda, lecturer in anthropology, Kamakhya College, Kamakhya. Today, I will deliver a lecture on stress management and work-life balance. First of all, we will discuss about the stress. What is stress? Stress is termed as a second century syndrome and born out of man's race towards modern progress and its ensuing complexity, as described by Benjamin Franklin. Stress is the wear and tear of our mind and body experience as we attempt to cope with our continually changing environment. Stress is a person's physical, emotional and response to change. Then what is stress? What are the signs of stress? Insomnia, loss of mental concentration, restlessness, tiredness, extreme frustrations, family conflict, migraine, headache and back pain, joint pain, etc. These are the signs of stress. Then causes of stress. What causes stress? Job insecurity, high performance demand, bad boss, workplace culture, personal or family problems, and technological complexity. Then what are the types, different types of stress? Stress may be external, may be internal, may be positive, may be negative. What are the external stress? External stress caused due to physical environment, our outward environment, social interaction, social complexity in interactions, then organizational factor, work culture, environment, and major life events, daily hassles, etc. These are the external stress. Internal stress. Internal stress may be due to lifestyle choice or lifestyle changes, negative self-talk, that means pessimistic attitude, mind traps, trap of minds by others, personality trait, etc. These are the basic and fundamentals of stress, causes of stress, external internal factors of stress, and what these are the types of stress. In next class we will discuss about details how to manage the stress and live happily in every conditions, every walk of life. Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Sunil Kumar Gowda, lecturer in anthropology, Kamakhya College, Kamakhya. I am a participant of this faculty development program organized by Ramanujan College, Delhi University under the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. Now I would like to deliver a lecture on stress management and work-life balance. Today we will discuss about stress management. What is stress? Stress is termed as the 20th century syndrome. This is the new syndrome born out of man's race towards modern progress its its ensuing complexity, as termed by Benjamin Franklin. Stress is the wear and tear of our mind and body experience as we attempt to cope with our continually changing environment. Stress is a person's physical and emotional response to change. What are the signs of stress? What are the symptoms? Insomnia, that means the sleeplessness, loss of mental concentrations, restlessness, extreme frustrations, family conflict, migraine, headache, and back problem. Then, what causes stress? What are the causative factors? There are several causative factors leads to stress in our day-to-day life. One of the major one is job insecurity. Nowadays, job market is very crowded. To get a job, permanent job is just like a Herculean task. Even after getting the job, the security of job is a question mark. That is the one of the major cause. Then high performance demand. Always our organization demands high level of performance. It demands more. That means we are engaged in several activity of our organizations. Then bad boss. If our employer is not good in term with us, then it is a cause of stress for us. Then workplace culture. Workplace culture means if our working environment is not conducive, that means we will always in a having a mental pressure leads to stress. Then personal or family problem. Nowadays in changing environment, the joint family system leads to nuclear family system, or in each and every family members demands, their demands are unlimited. There are so many factors, personal, maybe personal or family. There are so many problems arise. That is also a cause of stress. Technology, due to advancement of technology, some are some of us well equipped with the technology, some of us are not well equipped with the technology. In order to fight, in order to compete with the changing environment, we need to adopt the modern technology. This in many regions, technology also a cause of concern. Then what are the types of stress? Types of stress, that may be external stress, that means the environmental. Another one is the internal stress. One is the positive stress. Positive stress leads to improvement. Another last one is the negative stress. Negative stress leads to deterioration of our mind and body and everything. External stress, physical environment, it is one of the external stress. Social interaction, it is another external stress. If our interaction with the society, family members, it is not intact, then it may also leads to stress. Organizational factors, the organization in which we are working, this is also a factor of stress, creating stress. Major life event, from birth to death, there are so many events we are facing. In many events, we are satisfied with someone, or in some events we are not satisfied with others. That may leads to stress. Then daily hassles, these are the external stress factor. Internal stress factor, that is the lifestyle changes, lifestyle choice, sleeping habit, food habit, dress pattern, etc. There are so many factors. Negative self talk, that means the pessimistic attitude. Then mind traps, if our mind is trapped by others, someone is controlling, someone is always trying to capture, that may also leads to someone is dominating us, it may leads to our developing stress. Then personality trait, sometimes the traits, personality trait is also, personal trait also leads to stress. Then how to manage our life, how to manage the stress conditions so that we can live happily, we will discuss about in the next class. Thank you.